love lavender and would love to have it planted around my entire property because it brings in so many beautiful pollinators, as well as it has such a great smell. It can be used for so many things inside as well if you do harvest it. What we're gonna do today, because lavender can be quite expensive to get a lot of plants of, we're gonna take one plant and we're gonna harvest it down, and we're gonna do it in under 2 minutes. So let's get started. First off, I have my plant here, and we're in around late June, early July. You can be propagating during June through August, depending on which zone you're in. So just do a quick Google search on the best times if you are unsure. I'm gonna take my clippers and I'm gonna get at my plant. Now, what's important is we wanna make sure that we're getting a nice green plant, not anything that's woody, because we're not doing a winter cutting or a hardwood cutting. We're gonna do a softwood cutting. So I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna find any one that is not also on a flower, and we're gonna get that here. So down here, I'm just gonna clip mine. You want it to be around 3 to 4 inches long, like this one. And I'm gonna try to cut out as many as I can. It smells so good. Something like this one would be really great. You're looking, it's all green, no wood. This one right here is a little bit woody, so I wouldn't want that one. Okay, so I have all my cuttings here, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the bottom about inch and we're going to peel back our leaves here. This way you have the top part with your leaves intact, and this will be able to just get some light and energy for them. And then this part is gonna actually be underground when we get into that. So we'll go ahead and do this with all of our cuttings here. Next, we're going to be using a rooting hormone. I have 2 that I really like and suggest here. And all you're going to do is just dip your end into the rooting hormone, and then we're going to put it into our pot, just like so. And there you have it. We got all of our lavender into our nice pot. Give it a little bit of a watering, and then we're gonna put a nice little humidity dome over it. Now, this is important because your plants are gonna wanna stay nice warm, wet, so I just use any type of old plastic drink container. You can also use saran wrap if it's an interesting shaped pot. And then we're gonna go ahead, stick this into a nice shady spot. We wanna make sure to water it, but don't over water it. Make sure that it is in soil that is nice and drainable. And then in a couple weeks, probably at the end of summer, we will have nice lavender plants that we can plant in the ground and continue to cover our property in beautiful smelling lavender. If you like propagation videos, we're doing a whole series of things that you can be propagating in your garden, so definitely subscribe and check out the playlist right here so that you can keep propagating and growing your garden.